This is a manual transmission on a GMC Canyon 2008. This is the fill hole, and it even tells you the type of fluid on there, 5W90 GL3. So that's the fill, and on the passenger side is the drain. They're 24 millimeter socket size, and it takes 3 liters. So those bolts are metal into aluminum, and they were a bit of a struggle, probably from the body position. So I used a 1/2-inch ratchet, sniped it with my 4-jack, and they came loose. The bolts themselves are kind of short head, so you got to be careful to not round them off. All right, there she goes. Just a couple options for making getting fluid in your manual transmission a little bit easier. I like the pump. Just threads onto your bottle and away you go. If you don't have that, a hose on the end works just as good. Just squeeze the bottle. Just fill till it comes out of the hole and put the plug on.